A strong core is essential for overall health and fitness. Your core muscles, which include your abs, obliques, and lower back, help support your spine, improve posture, and enhance athletic performance. In this article, we'll explore a 10-minute workout that you can do at home or in the gym to strengthen your core. 1. Plank. Start in a push-up position, then lower down onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. 2. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your left elbow to your right knee, then switch sides. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Three. Russian twist. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Hold a weight or medicine ball in your hands and rotate your torso to the left, then to the right. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Four. Mountain climber. Start in a push-up position, then bring one knee toward your chest. Quickly switch legs, keeping your body in a straight line. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. Five. Leg raise. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands under your buttocks. Lift your legs up toward the ceiling, then slowly lower them back down. Repeat for 10. 15 reps. Six. Side plank. Start in a plank position, then shift your weight onto one forearm and turn your body to the side. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Seven. Flutter kick. Lie on your back with your hands under your buttocks and your legs straight. Lift your legs slightly off the ground and kick them up and down, alternating which leg is higher. Continue for 30 to 60 seconds. Eight. Spiderman plank. Start in a plank position, then bring one knee to your elbow on the same side. Return to plank position, then switch sides. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Nine. Reverse crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your hips off the ground and bring your knees toward your chest. Lower back down and repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Ten. V-up. Lie on your back with your arms extended overhead and your legs straight. Lift Your arms and legs up toward the ceiling, then reach your hands toward your feet. Lower back down and repeat for 10 to 15 reps. By incorporating these 10 of exercises into your workout routine, you can strengthen your core muscles and improve your overall fitness. Remember to focus on proper form and breathing, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. With consistent effort and dedication, you can achieve a strong and healthy core.